Good morning. It's day 3 fall harvest. It's also October 3. Oh, that was coincidental. Anyways, today is a day that's been a little bit more stressful thinking about because it sounds like we are changing over to corn. So I don't know how much video I'll get today. Maybe more so if I'm riding in the combine with Lee, but pretty sure I'll have my concentration strictly on what I'm doing simply because I really don't like messing with corn heads and corn terraces and ditches and risers and all of that. So let's see how it goes. Large amount of it already started here, it looks like.
Really? Right out of the gate, huh? Hold on a second, how's that?
Yeah. Or is it just the ear?
Yeah, that could be too bad. We're off. One row.
Are you looking for the lifter?
Yeah.
Oh, right there in front of you, I think. Nope, never mind. That is not it.
Now you see my problem.
Yeah.
There.
Should have put a flag on each one of them.
I should.
There, I see it. A little bit further. A little bit further. A little bit. Right
yeah,
there. Yep.
So, yeah, so that's my problem.
Okay. So just because somebody's probably wondering what the heck we're doing. Lee took all the risers out this spring and planted right through the spot where they're supposed to be. So now we have to find them. It's a game.
Where's Walter?
That's exactly right.
Some of this ground is really steep, so of course the combine makes noise when it's steep.
Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah.
rides are coming up over here.
Okay.
You got 2 more passes above the terrace.
Okay.
I can't guarantee how they were planted.
Okay.
You're gonna just have to dive in and then get the combine lined up and go.
Okay.
So you shouldn't have to worry about rides. There's 2 things out. I get the truck set. I'll come back and ride with you.
Okay, Kermit. That was your one time, so I am going to keep my fingers crossed that I don't have a one time today, but I am going to give you this radio to give to the boss.
Okay, I think he was going to catch you and ride with you across the field, or I'll go pick him up, and I'll take the radio and go get him.
Okay. Thanks for lunch, Barb. That's actually not Barb, that's Lee, but had to bring me back to the combine. So let's get her started again. Beautiful day today. Gorgeous day today, actually. You know what happens when I have a lunch like I had.
Say again.
I said, you know what happens when I have a lunch like we had, don't you?
Kind of feel like taking a nap.
Kind of feeling like I need a nap.
I won't tell on you. I'm not so sure that ain't where the boss is.
He probably needs one.
Keeps you out of our hair.
So have you ever had a error code come up that says leveling sieve line disconnected?
I don't think so.
You got one now.
Excellent. I'll be out in a little bit.
Okay. So we got out, looked to see what that whole leveling sieve thing, error code was. Couldn't find anything that we could justify saying was wrong. So it appears to be working correctly again. I was on kind of a steep terrace when it went off. Maybe it had something to do with that. We'll go over here on this side and work on that side for a bit, and then it's going to be time for me to leave. Well, I'm leaving. I'm going to go babysit, and I broke the combine, so it all perfect timing. Actually, not sure what the leveling sieve is doing, but that is what's causing issues right now. So nothing I can do about that. I'm headed home for the day. Good morning. It's day 4, October 4. So if we keep on this schedule, it'll be easy to know where I'm at for my days. Last night I spent most of my evening babysitting my grandkids, and so it was kind of a late night. I'm a little bit sluggish this morning, but hopefully that doesn't happen to carry over to the rows behind me. So let's get after it. with these terraces, sometimes the spout gets kind of close to the tractor. So I'm watching to make sure that it doesn't hit. Good job. Good job, Kermit.
Was there a riser there where I was walking?
I was on the wrong channel talking to you. I did not see a riser. That's why I guess I was hoping that you didn't see something that got through the combine, but I did not see one.
Okay, I've been kind of checking behind you and sticking them in there after you go by.
Oh, okay. Okay. Well, I can't take blame for all of them laying down. I'm going to blame it on Lee.
I know that. There was a couple up below there that looked a whole lot worse than any of them you've had.
I'm going to let you go forward before I start going backwards with that auger.
Okay, yeah, I was kind of close there. I didn't know if I'd clear.
It's like a dance we have. And once we get that dance figured out, we make a pretty good team. It's lunchtime. Be back, Grant. I'll be back. That's the kind of guest row I like, Lee. I definitely know where I should start with that one. Could you do that more often? Got the error code regarding the sieve not being level again, so headed to the shop to see about getting it fixed. Hopefully it'll get it done and we won't have to deal with it again. Leveling sieve, line disconnected.
And they tell me, Kermit, that this thing is balanced to the point of where I should be able to handle it by my hands. So we'll see. We'll put that to the test. So the phone number to call is 911. I'm thinking my rescue team is here already. Anybody that knows anything about a combine is here. So pretty sure.
Well, you're in trouble in my case.
I'm going out on a limb and saying this is not going to be a 5-minute job. But that's just me.
Should I be timing it?
No, please don't. They can't even get. They put the pin on the other side. Yeah, keep coming. There we go. All right, you're good. I guess I'm. Yeah, it's not gonna go. Because the whole thing. I mean, you can try to. Yeah, but you know the pin's got to come out, so then the whole thing will come down. But I got nothing to.
Oh, I see. You got something in front of the pan.
Hand me that big hammer.
The big one?
Yep.
Half a day.
Well, let's hope not a half a day.
I was kind of hoping that.
I'm rotating it back. How's that?
Well, when you threw it on the ground, I had to do the same thing out there. I was going to get fired.
Oh, the day's not over here. You'll get fired yet. No, he's been helpful.
Oh. See you, Kermit.
Gotta get it lined up.
In. All right.
What else do you need?
Now. Okay. Now get out of the way. All right. So that's good. So I'm attempting to put the new actuator on. So I put the pin in the arm at the center of the shoe next to the transmission, and I'm attempting to put the pin out on the right side of the combine, and the actuator, the shaft of the actuator is all the way retracted. And so when I get underneath there and push the whole shoe up to the right, it hits a stop, and I'm still about an inch or two short.
No error this time.
So go to the diagnostic screen.
Okay.
The top menu would be cleaning.
Okay.
The second level will be something to do with the leveling shoe. You get there?
I'm not seeing it. I see software framework, BSP, bootloader, combine, precision farming. Then I go down, I get yield monitor, variety zone, auto guidance, trip computer, display defaults.
That doesn't sound right. All right, I'll be up in a second.
Oh.
All right, Trace, tap it.
Okay, I'm going to tap the left side first.
Yep.
I tapped.
Yep. Nothing.
No. For you, nothing?
Nothing.
Okay, I'm going to tap the right.
Yeah, that's the one.
Okay.
Just a little bit at a time.
More?
Hold it for 1 second.
Okay.
Did you do it? Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
Hold the button for 1 second.
Oh, okay. For 1 second.
1 second. All right. There's very little torque on it, so that's good. Hold the button for 1 more second.
Okay.
Okay. 1 more second. Yep.
Another second.
Yep. 1 more second. 1 more second. Hold on, I think we can probably get it. Don't do anything.
Nope.
Yes, a little bit more. There we go. It's right there.
You got to go up with the shoe a little bit more. I think we hit it.
Did we?
I think we did.
Oh, it's through. Look at that. All right, shut the power off, Trace.
Okay. Recalibrating the sieve, but they got the new part. They did get the new part in. Evening crew taking over. Angie's in the tractor and grain cart now. Kermit went home. Lee's going to see if the field over there is ready. and I'm going home. And it's wanting to rain just a little bit. Hey Jim and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notification so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.